Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install the Google Analytics tracking code on a website. It's really simple, done over and over and over whenever you build a website by a lot of web design companies. Probably do this hundreds of times, but I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to install it on this website, waterfilteradvisor.com. So what we're going to do is grab the domain real quick, come over here. The first thing we need to do is we can create an account. I'm just going to create a new one for Water Filter Advisor. And then I'm going to put Water Filter Advisor in here. We're going to do HTTPS. Then you'll probably have to strip that out real quick. You can choose a category if you want to. I'll just choose that. Set your time so it knows where you are. I'm just going to choose that one. And then you can leave all this specific. So just hit get tracking ID. And you'll need to agree to these terms of service real quick. And then once it generates, you'll have a tracking ID right here. So we're going to keep this up. You've also got the script right here that you can drop in the header. So if you have a theme that has a header section on your website or a footer section, just simply copy that and paste it in to the header of the footer. But a lot of us don't know how to do code. So what we're going to do on WordPress is go to the plugins area. We're going to go to add new, and then we're just going to type in Google Analytics. And any of these will probably do. What I'm going to do is choose this one because it has over 1 million installs. So we're just going to install this real quick. Hit activate. And you'll see that now we have the Google Analytics dashboard installed. So what we're going to do is go to the settings. And then all you have to do is click this button that says authorize plugin. So we're going to click this link to get our one-time access code to paste in here. So we're going to click on that. And it's going to redirect us, and we're going to choose what account we just created the Google Analytics code under. So that was mine right there. I'm going to hit allow, and then it's going to give us this little code. You can hit the copy button, or you can copy depending on how you want to copy that code. You're going to go back to this one-time access code area and hit save access code. And what it's going to do is it probably will auto select the website that you're on. But if not, just choose it from the drop down. It'll have all of the properties that are in your Google Analytics account. So just simply choose that there. And then you can choose automatic updates. You can leave all this the same. Just hit save changes. And then I'm going to click clear cache just for good measure. And then I'm going to click save changes again. So that is it. It already knows the tracking ID because we've created this property, and this plugin basically connects the two so that they can talk back and forth. Now what I'm going to do is actually go to the front end here, and I'm going to use the Google Tag Assistant. It's a Chrome extension, and what you're going to need to do is click on, it'll be disabled at first. You'll have to click on enable, and then you'll refresh the page, and you'll see it turn blue up here. And we've got the Google Analytics installed. It's got a smiley face, and it's got 77-1, which is the tracking code for Google Analytics. So that's a really quick tutorial on how to install the Google Analytics code on a WordPress site using that plugin, the Google Analytics WordPress dashboard plugin. And you are all set. So from now on, it will be tracking the code, and we can come back tomorrow and look in our Google Analytics, and it should have gathered the data. So that's how you install the Google Analytics code on your WordPress site.